Brother John Christopher and Sister Lorraine May Young. Now call the chairman, please.
Thank you so much.
So this ring is an...
I, Lorraine May S. De La Torre, Salinas De La Torre. Thank you, John Christopher Young, to be my wedded husband, to love and to cherish and deeply respect, and in accordance with the divine law, as
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish
in accordance
to the divine law
as set forth
as set forth
in the Holy Scriptures
for Christian husbands
Christopher Young, to be your wedded husband, to love and to cherish and deeply respect in accordance with the divine law as outlined in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives for as long as you both may live. Okay, thank you. So now, you can please, you can hold hands, look at each other. You need your mic as well. So you need to make a vow outlined in the Holy Scriptures for Christian husbands for as long as you both may live. Okay, Lorraine.
Kita ba? Kini ba? Kini. Patayin man. Saan man yan? Patayin mo.